football was just naturally in me. That was the only thing I started out to do first, and I don't know why.
The cross comes Bailey's way, the backheel finish is outrageous. Oh, Leon Bailey.
Yeah, I mean, we played a lot of street football. I mean, as a kid, we played a lot of street football, but I always used to play with the older guys as a little boy. I mean, we started out at age 7. That's when I started to play in the Phoenix Academy, and yeah, we became family, and from there it was just like training, being more focused, and just basically giving 100%.
He's just 20. Take a bow, Leon Bailey.
My family was always around when I was with them as well, so it was never a separation or a segregation thing. You know, you grew up in Jamaica, you're used to one culture. So when you come here, you just have to adapt to their way of doing things and just basically be a part, let them think that you're a part of their, because nobody wants to feel like you're just separated by yourself. And yeah, we had to adapt fast. Well, I would say we're really, really close. Like, he's been a friend of mine for a couple of years now. He's taught me a lot of things in life because he's experienced. Of course, he's a legend. Yeah, he's a great guy. He's just a fun person to be around, and yeah, he's just a cool guy. In most ghettos, there is like always problems, but I mean, with the problems, people are still living happily. Like, just basically free-minded, free spirit, and just always positive, good vibe. At those times when I was traveling around, it was basically to pave the way, to show Europe that Jamaica is not just about the bobsled or Bob Marley or Usain Bolt. We can also play football.
Leon Bailey! Oh, terrific! A Leon Bailey blockbuster for Leverkusen, and what a way to level against the record champions.
Sport was a way out, of course. It was the only thing I know was football. That was the only thing.